Alright, so we're on level 3 now, so we're going to go through the same process. I'm going to make the floor and then the walls. So, plan 3, go to floor, go to rectangle, and this one actually has a balcony in the back. And then this floor actually ends pretty early. So I'm going to left click right there as the edge of that floor. And I'm going to hit the big green check. And it's going to ask me if you want the walls to go up to this floor's level to attach to its bottom. And you can say, yes, I do. So now it takes all those floors and remakes the curtain walls to actually attach to the bottom of that floor, which is nice. So once we're done with that, we can come in, and I'm going to go to wireframe now so I can see my, my floor plan. And we're going to make the walls. So these walls here are only 3 feet high, and I think they're the 9-inch walls. So I'm going to go to wall and pick the interior 9-inch. And then I'm going to go to, instead of up to level roof, again I'm going to go to unconnected, and I'm going to make it 3 feet tall. So basically all these parameters are setting up, you know, automatically how you would, you know, go in and manually type in the height. So now I'm drawing that wall in, right? Hit escape. You can come over to the 3D view and see now I have that wall in around what will be the stair. Okay, I'll hit escape to get out of that wall command. And then I'll come in, and it looks like we have 2 curtain walls here, one with a door and then a big wall in the middle. So I'll go to wall. I think this is a 6-inch wall if I remember. So an exterior 6-inch. And we can just go right down the middle. Right here. It looks like it's a little bigger, of course. It'll be a little different. I'll pick, of course it's not letting me hit the very end of that, so I'm just going to use the align command. AL is the shortcut for the align. And I want to align with this line, that. And I want this to be a 7-inch wall, which I don't know if there is one. Ooh, there is. So there's a 7-inch wall. Okay. Now I just need to put one curtain wall here and one curtain wall here. So I'll go to wall, wall architectural, go to my pull down and pick the FOBA curtain wall. Annoying that it flips out. And click there and draw it to there. All right, so there's that one. Let's see if we've got it. So I'll pick the system, move it into place, right there, and then you can actually pick that and go to create similar, and we'll pick and draw it in to there, right? Okay, so now we need to pick this curtain wall panel, flip it out for the door with the frame, and then if we go to 3D over here, spin around a little bit. So we don't really need to. I could have done it from the back, but for some reason, feel the need to do it from the outside. And then we just tab select in to get that mullion. And we unpin it, and we delete it. Okay. And looks like my curtain wall door is having a little bit of an issue. Like you see, it looks, am I correct? Is it in the floor? Or is that just me? It might just be me. Let's take a look at it. So I'm going to make a section here. So I'm going to go to view and section. And I find that sections are just the easiest way to look at little bits of your drawing. So I'm going to double click on that and let's zoom in. No, it looks fine. I think I'm just losing my mind a little bit. So you'll see that all of these have gone up to level roof, so they're really tall. We're going to put a roof in there, and then we're going to associate these walls with a roof. So we'll fix that in just a minute. Okay, so we've got those walls in, we got that wall in. We're probably going to need a curtain wall up here for the roof, but let's take a look. Let's spin around because the way that this one is set up is a little different than the curved one. So I think what we're probably going to need here is a beam, but we'll put that in a minute. Let's go ahead and stop, and the next thing that we'll do is we'll put in the roof, and we'll finish up the curtain wall on this end.